When you are looking for an e-spinner and considering getting one, ask yourself, well, the first thing to ask yourself is this going to be my only wheel? If so, you might want to look for more features than if it's going to be your second or third wheel, or a wheel you think you might want to learn on, or if it's just to take with you to workshops. That's one option or one item you should consider. Are aesthetics important to you? They might be, so that could be a consideration as well. Of course, there's always cost. I mean, I'd say for all of us, I think there is a maximum amount we can all afford. So that's going to be something you obviously have to consider. And what kind of yarns are you looking to make? Now, if you're a new spinner, this might all be more than you wanted to deal with. So I'll get to that in just a second. But if you have more experience spinning, you might want to look into, I don't know, Irish tension, or getting both drive systems, or maybe you are a fine lace spinner, or maybe you're looking to get into art yarns. It's really up to you, and all of that is out there. Now, if you are a brand new spinner, that might feel a little overwhelming. And also, I really believe that your first wheel, be it an e-spinner or a treadle wheel, is not necessarily the wheel you will be keeping for your entire spinning journey. It's a way to get started. It's a way to understand how the process all works. And just like your skills will evolve, so will your needs and your desires as a spinner. Noise could also be a factor, because some of us spin while we're spending time with our families in the evening or watching movies with our spouses. So that, or maybe noise just irks you, and that's not going to be a relaxing experience at all if you're hearing a whir or a whirling. So starting on this end, we have the Ashford. It's the Ashford version 3. So the Ashford 3. The Ashford comes in this, it's one kind of wood that they offer, but it's wood, and that could be a feature that's important to you. However, if you are a wood aficionado, Hansen Crafts, their mini spinner, that is something you will want to look into. They have exotic woods, all kinds of woods really, and beautiful. You'll notice that the Ashford comes with their larger bobbin, and this bobbin fits all of their other wheels. So if you love the Ashford brand, this could be a great addition for you. So this is a really nice size bobbin. It's their jumbo bobbin, and the jumbo bobbin could be a feature that is important to you. So this is the Dreaming Robots Electric Eel Wheel 6, the EEW 6. So these are kind of relatable in that way, in terms of how much they can hold, how much yarn they can hold, and bobbin size. And you know, their sizing is about the same despite the difference in the exterior. Also, I just noticed the orifice reducer. If you're going to be spinning art yarns, you know, something to consider as well is whether that comes out or whether there is one or not. This here is the Daedalus Starling version 3 flat pack, which it's very, very similar to their Starling version 3, but it flat packs. There are 4 screws. It's pretty, I did it. So there are 4 screws that you just take out and make sure you pack all of your materials, and this will fit in your suitcase or really in your handbag or whatever. It's lightweight as well. Nice size bobbin, orifice reducer. Oh, and this is a new feature, the pulley here. So this is the motor, and it now has 2 sizes. And I guess I would liken it kind of to almost like ratio choices, not exactly, but more like multiple power. So a normal and an oomph, giving you just more options. Now, very recognizable as well is the electric eel wheel Nano. It is lightweight and incredibly portable, and that is, I think, something that its owners really appreciate about it. So really lightweight and a great entry point for people who are already spinners and might be interested in what it feels like to spin with an electric spinning wheel.